are the group 2 and
We'll be reporting the results live in
Ayaw sa...
Spain. So our topic for today is in sunny Spain, 1882 to 1885. And Rizal left in Manila on May 3, 1882, and he went to Spain. Where Rizal went to Spain where he completed his university in Spain. And he also improved his where he completed his university studies and improved his knowledge of languages and arts, and where he developed his talent there in Spain. And at the time, Spanish people enjoyed their liberties, and also Rizal saw Spanish politicians and writers criticizing the government policies nga wala sila'y kahadlok sa kanang ilang pag-persecution. And also that time Rizal joined propaganda movement, and where the other Filipino patriots working in seeking reforms to remedy about the role in the Philippines. And next is secret departure for Spain. Rizal departure for Spain was kept in secret order to avoid detection by the colonial officials and the friars. Rizal's departure in Spain was secret in order to avoid it. Bisan niyang mga families, wala kay about anang iyahang paglarga. Then, ang nakabalo lang ana sa iyahang paglarga is ang iyang uncle Antonio Rivera, his brother Pasiano, and his sister o ang iyang mga close friends around na kahibalo about sa iyang paglarga. Then, when he left, Pasiano, his brother Pasiano gave him a 700 pesos, and his sister Saturnina gave him a diamond ring in order to survive his days in Spain. And also, to maintain his studies and sojourn abroad, he needed a monthly allowance of 35 pesos. And that 35 pesos, his brother Pasiano promised him that he will send regularly that money through his uncle Antonio Rivera. And next is passport obtained by a cousin named Jose Mercado, not Jose Rizal. And on May 1, 1882, he left his hometown, which is Calanga. And after his 10 hours of travel, he reached in Manila. And dito na siya time para mag-book sa passage. Then, kadong at passage on the Salvador, where Rizal write a farewell letters ato sa iyang family and friends. And ato sad nga time sakit kaayo din duol sad kay dito niya maakuan nga kanang mao na to ang ilang last nga pagkita sa iyang beloved one nga si Leonor. He had also a tearful farewell meeting with his beloved Leonor. Dili na murag mao na to last nila nga kita ato sa iyang hometown. Then on his last night in Manila, Rizal with his younger sister Soledad rode about the city and its suburbs for 5 hours. Then after ana kanang si Rizal gisoginlan niya ang iyang iyahang sister Soledad nga kanang bantayan ang iyahang parents. Now more siya
Gisugo, ana? Kadang po na gisugidlan. Gisigidlan.
Giingnan.
Ah,
Chikahan.
maghak pa rin.
Murag siya selfie ka nang siya ni Rizal or giatasan nga muna pati bantay sa ilang parents
I owe much to this religion.
And next one is Singapore.
Singapore.
So Singapore. Singapore, he was the only Filipino on board. Almost all of these men spoke then of the country to which he had gone for fictionary reasons. After 5 days of sailing, the Salvador reached the English colony of Singapore. Admired the confidence which the natives of Singapore seem to have in their government, the fear of their rulers shown by the Filipino. So, there were 16 passengers on board, including himself, 6 ladies, many children, and the rest are gentlemen. Singapore. He was the only Filipino on board. Almost all those men spoke ill of the country to which they had gone for fictionary reasons. After 5 days of sailing, the Salvador reached the English colony of Singapore. Admired the confidence which the natives of Singapore seem to have in their government, the fear of their rulers shown by the Filipino. There were 16 passengers on board, including himself, 6 ladies, many children, and the rest are gentlemen. He was the only Filipino, and the rest is Spaniards, British, Indian included. So from Singapore to Colombo, Rizal transferred to Chief Jimna, and he left to Europe on May 11. It was a French vessel, therefore French mostly spoken on board. On May 17, Jimna reached Point Valley, a seacoast town in southern Cyprus. Rizal was staying in Singapore in Hotel de Cas. Rizal saw Singapore and he was impressed by its progress and beautiful sights. He admired the confidence of the natives of Singapore with their government.
So next is first trip through Suez Canal. In Singapore, Rizal boarded the Lemna, a French steamer which was sailing to Europe. In Singapore, then dito sa Lemna, then dito siya kinahanglan jud niya nga magsulti siya og mix sa Latin o Spanish words, and he also sketching his papers para lang masabtan jud siya sa iyang mga gipansulti. Then dito gasulti na siya og French para ma-improve ang iyang French word. And he found the port to be sad and sleepy. And in the morning of May 18, Rizal and the other passengers went ashore for sightseeing, and ito niya nakita nga kanang morning katong sad and sleepy. And Rizal visited interesting places in town. On June 2, he arrived at the city of Suez, the Red Sea terminal of the Suez Canal. And dito nga city na reminded him sa iyang family o sa iyang family and Calamba, which is his hometown. And next is Perth.
Naples and Marseille. Naples and Marseille. On June 11, Rizal reached Naples. On the night of June 12, he visited the famous places of the city, particularly Chateau d'If, where Dante's hero of the Count of Monte Cristo was imprisoned. On June 11, Rizal reached Naples, this Italian city, pleasing because of Panaramic beauty, he was fascinated by the historic site of the city. Port Said, nagkatuloy ang paglalakbay ni Rizal patungong Europe sakay ang barkong Vienna. On June 11, nakarating siya sa Naples, Italy. He was impressed by the city, Naples and Marseille. On June 11, Rizal reached Naples. This Italian city pleased him because of its business activity, its lively people, and its panoramic beauty. He was fascinated by the historic site of the city. On the night, June 12, the steamer docked at the French harbor of Marseilles after from Port Said, nagpatuloy ang paglalakbay ni Rizal patungong Europe sakay ng barkong Vienna. He was impressed by the city. On June 12, nakadaong ang barko sa paungan ng Marseilles. Nagpaalam si Rizal sa kanyang mga kapwa pasahero at bumaba sa barko. Binisita niya ang mga sikat na lugar sa lungsod, lalo na ang Chateau d'If, kung saan nakakulong si Dantes, ang bayani ng nobelang The Count of Monte Cristo. As a former Ateneo student, Rizal had enjoyed reading Dumas novel.
Painting.
Tumatagal siya ng 3 days sa Marseilles at nasihan sa bawat araw.
Tagay.
1884. Parang araw sa ubos. Kana. Moves to Madrid. Many people had died and more were dying. So Rizal received sad news. So
Rizal as a lover of books. A favorite pastime of Rizal in Madrid was reading. He purchased books from a second-hand bookstore owned by a certain Senor Roses. And ang favorite jud nga kanang pastime ni Rizal is kanang ang pagbasa-basa og mga libro kay since childhood niya, mao jud to iyahang ganahan kaysa sa kanang instead nga kanang magsugal siya, then flirt og mga babae, then mag-inom. Ang iyang gibuhat is puyo na lang siya sa balay, then magbasa siya og kanang mga libro. Then Rizal economize iyang gitiguman og kwarta ang katong nga books then para maka-purchase siya og second hand book nga owned by Senor Roses. Then sa katong natigong nga kwarta is kanang nakapalit jud siya og mga libro, then kanang nakapahimosal siya og kanang fair size nga library. Then dito niya gipamutang niya mga collection apil na ang katong kuan the Bible, Hebrew grammar, lives of the presidents of the United States from Washington to Johnson, complete works of Voltaire 9 volumes, complete works of Horace 3 volumes, complete works of C. Bernard 16 volumes, History of the French Revolution, The Wandering Jew by Eugene Sue, Ancient Poetry, works of Thucydides, the Byzantine Empire, the characters of La Bruyere, the Renaissance, Uncle Tom's Cabin by Harold Beecher Stowe, works of Alexander Dumas, Louis XIV, and his court, and numerous books on medicine, philosophy, languages, history, geography, arts, and sciences. Then, na siya duha ka libro nga kanang affected jud kayo siya. First libro is by Beecher Stowe's Uncle Tom's Cabin and Eugene Sue, The Wandering Jew. These two books nag-arouse his sympathy for the oppressed and fortunate people.
Rizal came in contact with the liberal and Republican elements whose or whom were Mason. Rizal, being young and lonely in foreign country, he was easily impressed by the way the prominent Spanish Mason during Rizal's things turned from bad to worse in Calamba. Habang wala si Rizal, nagsimula ng malang na bagay-bagay sa Calamba. Bago ang ani ng mga balay tubo. Bumagsak ang presyo ng asukal, ang upa sa mga lupain na sinasaka ng pamilya nila. Tinaas ng sobrang ng talabang mahala. The rent on the land cultivated by the Rizal family was great. Exorbitant rate na neighbor ang ayon sa kwento ni Rizal, patuloy na itinaas ng tagapamahala na ito ang upa sa lupa. Mga Rizal dahil nagalit siya ng tanggihan ng ama ni Rizal na bigyan siya ng isang malaking
Salud to Lona and Hidalgo. At the National Exposition of Fine Arts in Madrid in 1884, Luna's canvas Escolarium won first prize gold medal, while Hidalgo's Christian Virgins exposed to the populace was awarded second prize silver medal. The historic bouquet was attended by Filipino and Spanish notables. Hisalot, Lona, and Hidalgos as the two glories of Spain and the Philippines whose splendor united both peoples. On June 25, 1884, Rizal, Salot, Lona, and Hidalgos victory on the National Exposition of Fine Arts in Madrid, Lona, Escolarium winning prize, and Hidalgos Christian Virgins exposed to the popular second prize.
Studies completed in Spain. Rizal completed his medical course in Spain. He was awarded the degree of licentiate in medicine by the Universidad Central de Madrid on June 21, 1884. The next academic year, 1884-1885, he studied and passed all subjects leading to the degree of medicine. So, pagka June 21 daw, 1884, natapos nila sa langihang ang pag-study sa medicine sa Universidad Central de Madrid. Tapos ang iyahang mga remarks, ang iyahang mga grado, di pwede sila gawin sa iyahang medical clinic 1, good. Ang iyahang surgical clinic 1, good. Iyahang obstetrical clinic, fair. Legal medicine, legal medicine, excellent, and within 6th year, 1884, medical clinic, good, surgical clinic, so very good. And associate medicine awarded in June 21 with rating fair, doctorate 1884-1885. History of medicine science, fair, surgical analysis, good, normal histology, excellent. Dr. Emil not awarded. So he was awarded the degree of licentiate in philosophy and anyways, maong wa siya na awarded o kanang di ko siya na awarded mo siya na tagaan og diploma sa iyang pagka Doctor of Medicine sa iyang pag-graduate anak. Wala siya yung bayad of tuition fee. Wala siya yung bayad of tuition fee. Tas na sila yung thesis nga wala po niya gibuhat mo nang wala siya tagang diploma. Awarded degree licentiate of philosophy and letters. But then after that, and after niya ng eskwela sa pagka-doctor of medicine, yung eskwela na po siya balik sa philosophy and letters. Then iyan ang lampos o ang iyang rating kay excellent or sobresaliente. Excellent. Iyan ang na-accomplish sa Madrid on June 19, 1885 sa iyang 24th birthday. The rating of excellence. And muna ang iyang ang iyang rating sa iyang mga subjects. Universal History 1, very good. General Literature, excellent. And 1883-84, Universal History 2, excellent. Greek and Latin Literature, excellent with prize. Nag-try ko, nagpangita kung saan nga prize ang yun dawat ani pero wala ko kakita. And Greek 1, excellent with prize of course then. And 1884 to 1885, Spanish language, excellent with a scholarship. Arabic language, excellent with a scholarship. At long last, Rizal completed his studies in both medical and philosophical and letters. And that's the end of the slides. Pero napay na yung nakabutan ng diri guys. And at long last, Rizal completed his studies in both medical and philosophy and letters. He was ready then to face the world and lead the fight for his country's redemption. He was determined to see more of Europe before returning home and acquire more medical lore in the clinics of Europe eminent physicians. So pagka ready na siya mo face jud sa kanang may fight sa redemption sa Philippines. Pero gusto pa siyang mo experience gali sa Europe, sa mga clinic sa Europe pag kanang hawak sa medical. Gusto siya mo experience ganahan pa siya mag-try ba sa mga clinics. Gusto siya mo duty na siya mo serve dito And that's all.